Yo, greetings, fellow members of the tribe. We're out here on a nice bike ride in an epic part of the world, the Shire, as you well know. Got a nice doobie road here, and we're gonna have a little walk around and smoke sesh in this area that I'd like to show to you guys because I feel you may appreciate it. First of all, let's check out this insanely fat ash tree. Probably one of the bigger trees you'll find. But yeah, it's just a nice place, if you like camping, if you like that sort of stuff. It's near the South Downs Way, which is where I've travelled and made many videos around before. Yeah, so we're gonna have a walk around, little first person experience of walking around the National Trust in springtime, because it's spring right now, it's lockdown and we're still having good times, keeping our distance from the general public. Show you that view. These are the type of views you get all over the South Downs. If you haven't already, check out my South Downs Way video. Me and a couple of mates did the whole thing, like by foot and half walking, and it was epic. And you can see a little bit of that in a video I've made. But yeah, here's today's smoke session. There's a spot for the session. It's pretty sick. Just riding along, just looking, scouting. So we got this really nice yew tree here with like weird faces and stuff in it. Would be nice to climb that, but the view here, the scenery here is just too nice to waste. Look at this, springtime, beech trees. It's pretty loud. Underfoot. So yeah, cheers for watching if you're still tuning in right now. Soon I'll be doing a nice little smoke. Just got to find that perfect spot. And cheers to any new subs who are watching this, wondering what the fuck this channel's about. And anyone that's, been with us for some time. Yo. Oh shit. Got another ancient yew tree here. Fucking insane. Need to come back and do a bit of climbing here at some point. But for now I'm just trying to find a little spot to smoke. I think we got one. Can be quite challenging trying to film sessions outdoors on your phone, but it's part of the fun. Oh dear. Okay. Cheers. The flint's busted on my fucking lighter, but luckily I got a clipper. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you won't know. Blazing some orange star dog. You can hear the sheep in the background. It's lambing season. Yeah man, Just a quick doobie. Hope everyone's doing well. Comment where you're tuning in from. Hope you're well. Hope quarantine's treating you nice. And yeah, hope you're all getting outdoors as well. That's important for your mental health. Got to get outdoors. It's springtime. It's a lovely time of year, and I'm glad I can be out here enjoying it. I'm glad there's someone, if there is anyone watching this, hope you're enjoying it. And yeah, it's just a nice spot to blaze, and thought I'd share it with you guys. Yes, I'm going to come back to this area and do a bit of climbing maybe at one point. Oh, it's too windy for any ghosting hills. I've been lacking on the tree climbing videos. I know there's probably no one that wants to watch them, but they're one of the most fun videos for me to make, so that's all I do. That's the only reason I do this channel, is just for the fun of it, just to fucking keep myself entertained. Ooh. Drop that like if you enjoyed this session, and I'll catch you in the next episode, my friends. Cheers for watching. Adios.